Did you know that there is a simple recipe that you can have that can clear any form of spiritual problem that you are having right now? Are you facing rejection? Are you facing financial difficulty? Are you facing relationship problem? People are rejecting you, no promotion, your children are not doing well, or things are not just working in your store, you are not selling, you are not progressing in life, all your mates are already married and you can't find a suitor, no promotion in your place of work, or people just hate you for no cause, then there is a simple recipe that is lying there in your house that will not cost you a dime, and this is very effective. Hi, you are welcome back to Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality, manifestation, and spiritual life hacks. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you one simple recipe that you can prepare right now that will free you of any spiritual burden or any form of negativity that you are facing right now. And what you are going to be needing for this recipe, like I said, is something that you already have in your house. You are going to be needing 2 ingredients. The first one that you are going to be needing is sea salt or table salt or Himalayan salt. This is table salt. You can use sea salt, you can use table salt. One thing is you are going to be needing wood ashes. You can see ashes, wood ashes. But before we continue, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscribe to this channel, it is free. Like this video and share this video, because what we do here is we give tips, and these tips we give it for free. So you do well to like it and share it to others who will benefit from this, because a lot of people are facing problems but they don't know what to do. But this simple solution, if you can be using it, then your problem will become a thing of the past. Don't say because it is simple, but it works. It's very effective, and it does not matter, because there is not going to be incantation. There is no incantation. Anybody can use it. Any religion can use it. Islam can use it. Christianity, if you are a Christian, you can use it. Hinduists, Judaists, everybody can use this, because it's very simple. You are just using natural things to attract goodness to your life. Now, how are you going to be preparing this? First, you need to get your ashes. Look for a flat plate like this, or tray. Just look for something flat. Put your ashes. Once you put the ashes, then get your salt. Then you add salt into the ashes. You add salt. If the ashes is much, then you need much salt. Then you are going to be mixing it together. Mix the ashes together. And once you mix it together like that, you are almost done with the recipe. In case you are new to spirituality, salt is a very spiritual item, and it cleanses, it sweetens, it does a lot of things, and is a universal item. It is noted to almost every culture. Anywhere in the world, they use salt in different way for spirituality. So this is one important item that should not be missing in your home. So you use it to cleanse. If you are facing any issue, if you have problem in the house, you use it in several ways. I've done a video. I'm going to be linking it here for you, so that you can go and check that one after this video. And I'll be putting it in the description also. The different uses of salt for different purposes. Then ashes. This one is a bit is a secret. Only few people know of this. So when you now mix, it's also a spiritual item. When you now mix salt and ashes together, you achieve a specific purpose. But one good thing about this simple recipe that I'm teaching you right now is that you can use this one for any form of spiritual problem that you have. It does not matter if it is barrenness, if it is negativity, if it is lack of promotion, if it is lack of suitor, you don't have a partner, you're looking for a partner, you are seeking financial freedom, you want promotion in your work, in your place of work, you any form of spiritual problem that you're going through, this simple recipe can clear this for you. Can clear this for you. It is very powerful. I have so much confidence in this. I have so much confidence. I've done this video somewhere before, but because of the new people that are joining the channel, and because of those who have forgotten, I'm bringing it out again so that you have to include this in your spiritual arsenal. It's something that you should not be lacking from your home. Now, if you have the mixture, the salt and the ashes, all you do is you make sure they are mixed properly and you smoothen it. You smoothen it. You can smoothen it with your hand like this. You can see. Then you want to make a particular spiritual sign in it. This sign, you are not writing anything, you are just making a mark. You are making marks. And this is the way to do it. You just do your hand like this and put 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the way it is. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is, you make that 4 marks. And when you make the 4 marks, then it does not need the incantation. You don't need to say any incantation. Just means the 4. That sign is a spiritual sign, and it means goodness. That sign that I put now is a spiritual sign for goodness. It's a spiritual sign for breakthrough. It's a spiritual sign for success. That's just the meaning. That's the meaning. So you don't need to say anything. Once you put that mark, just do it like that, and you can make your intention. Just say your own problem that you have. What exactly is the problem that you are facing that you want to clear? So once you make the intention, then you smoothen it back. You smoothen it back. Then get a bottle, a plain bottle. Get a plain bottle like this. It can be plastic, it can be bottle. Just make sure you have something, a container. Then you pour the mixture inside the container. Now, what are you going to be doing with this? You are going to be using this to bathe. All you need to do is, once you have the mixture of ashes and salt in the container, then you'll be adding a little, just a cover like this, just a cover of this container in your bathing water. In your bathing water. Just add 1 or 2 is enough. Mix it together, then also pray into it and go ahead to use it to bathe. It's as easy as that. And the good thing is you can use it to bath in the morning and in the evening before going to bed. You don't use it in the afternoon, but you can use it in the morning or in the evening before going to bed. This is the way to do it, and it's very simple. And what is it going to do? It's going to clear you of any spiritual problem. That means the one you've added your intention into it. Any problem that you are facing, just say it into it. I want to advise you that if you want to use it for any spiritual problem, don't add multiple problems. Just make it specific. If it is, make it one thing. If it is lack of spouse, just say it into it. If it is financial abundance you want, say it into it. If it is lack of promotion, say it into it. Or if it is your children that are giving you issues, make it for them and be adding it into their bathing water. Maybe there are things they are doing you don't like. Just be adding it into their water. You see, the more they use it, the more you see the changes for better. It's very, very effective, and it's as simple as that. But before I go to the comments, Go and write in the comment. Either you have seen it before or you are going to be doing it now, or you have any issue or query concerning this particular recipe, go to the comment and let us see your comment. And again, please try to share this to others, because most of these things work better for you when you share it. I've done this before and there are a lot of testimonies. I still do this from time to time because it's something, if you are a spiritual person, you have a lot of spiritual things in your arsenal, and this is one that is very, very handy, very easy to do, does not cost you anything than just the will to do it, and again the faith that it will work for you. A lot of people do something, let me just do it. No, don't just do it and believe that it will work, because it has worked for others. It's still working. I will never give you something that is not working. So it's better you do it, and since nobody is asking you to bring money. And again, remember that this video I'll also move it to membership only. Those who are members, I will still move it maybe a week or two. After that, I'll close it. That means you cannot watch it again except you're a member. And if you want to become a member, just see below this video, you see join. Just click on join, and there are different levels. There are silver, gold, bronze. Just click on anyone that you're comfortable with. If you want to learn better ways to use salt, or you want to understand better ways to use salt, I'll be linking a video for you here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, you can succeed together. Thanks.